So my name is Pierre Allamaa. I'm a research engineer at Siemens Digital Industries under the supervision of Dr. Santong, and a PhD student at KU Leuven under the co-supervision of Professor Panos Patrinos. So I earned my bachelor's degree from the American University of Beirut. That's in Lebanon, where I'm originally from. And then I moved to EPFL in Lausanne to do a master's in mechanical engineering with a special focus on automation and control. And I'm currently working on embedded optimal control enhanced by machine learning techniques, specifically for autonomous driving or self-driving cars that would allow it to run faster, but also that would make the application more scalable to new people and then to new environment by coupling machine learning and MPC together. So looking first at all the names of professors and supervisors and advisors of this consortium, you would directly realize that they are the best of their fields when it comes to optimization or machine learning. So it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to actually be guided by them. So this was one of the main reasons why I joined it. And then after that, I was pretty sure that the networking and the outcome of this project would come along the same lines of the people who are guiding it. All right, so this goes back a little bit before. I am quite passionate about cars since I was pretty young. I liked dismantling them, and then I liked basically the combination of cars with dynamical systems. So this would take you between mechanical and electrical engineering, and this is where I'm actually in, so in control, the intersection of both worlds, and we can see it really around us everywhere. So everyone likes to make some decision making to regulate things, put things specific places. This is why I was doing it, and the best of those approaches could be summarized in MPC. So this was the reason why I moved into this particular topic, but now in an area full of machine learning-driven and data techniques, it would also be good to now complement the best of the control strategies with MPC with data to kind of now bridge past with future by current decision making. And why I chose industry, it's because I am more application oriented. So I really like to do fast prototyping, seeing the results of what I'm working on directly on some hardware. So so this was one of the main reasons why I chose to actually do it in industry and try to bring the state-of-the-art research and methods and develop them such that they are aware of the real-world challenges and the problems. So actually it's pretty much along the lines of what I was expecting before joining it. First of all, I'm given all the resources and support that I need to do this internship. I am meeting with quite a dynamical group of people, quite smart individuals, and I'm getting the chance to travel for conferences, for workshops, and for schools. And and I'm learning quite a lot, and I would say that the challenges are as hard as I would expect them to be, which is always some good motivation to work harder and push forward. That's the dearest to my heart. MPC is a smart strategy used to make a real-time decision based on current conditions of your system and environment. All while looking ahead and thinking ahead of time about what could your system and environment, how they could evolve, and then try to come out with the best and most efficient output of your system, all while considering all the rules and limitations of your system and your environments. Yeah, indeed. So MPC is quite a big topic, and many people might know about it. But what I experienced in ELO-X is actually to implement it directly on vehicles, see the real-world problems, and then from there come up with state-of-the-art research methods and approaches that could help us continue with this field that is quite big, and also see the need to couple it with machine learning techniques. So this was part of the ELO-X indeed. Okay, interesting. Well, as I mentioned, I am actually quite lucky because I am doing an industrial PhD, and there the topic was pretty much defined in an industrial application to go towards autonomous driving or self-driving cars. So this is the application that I will be working on. and I'm working on. I will continue working on, and there are quite a lot of technological advancement coming pretty much every month or every week about the different fields that are in the self-driving industry, and this is what excites me to continue working on it, because there is a big promised result that in a few years you will get an increase in the efficiency of road usage, the decrease of road accidents, and then who wouldn't like to see some self-driving cars surrounding them? So that's always nice to see cars with amazing robots. This is something really exciting, but also that there is a lack in real-time decision making and safety in the navigation of autonomous driving, and this is what I am actually working on currently. So this motivates me a lot to continue in this field and build knowledge, expertise, and continue in this field. So first of all, the support. Whenever you develop any idea, you are not blocked by doing this. So it's not like there's a defined path where you have to follow the guidance of whoever is mentoring you, but rather you come up with your own idea, you try to support them, you are given enough time to research them. If you fail, you learn from your lessons, and that's completely fine. So failure is one of the biggest motivator in this program. You are given time and resources to do so. But then later on, if you have some question or some idea about a certain topic of expertise, you have a big amount of people who are really expert in different domains, and you can always go to one of them, collaborate with them, and ask them specific questions about it. This could help you and them to push forward, and it's always really nice to have the chance to travel all around the world and Europe, discover the recent trends, recent achievements, and then also showcase what you've developed for other people to get inspired and to work with you. And finally you work with real hardware, real cars, so that's always a good thing to have.